This vegan sandwich has 18 grams of protein and takes 5 minutes to make. We're starting with a sad but ripe avocado, adding to it some lime juice and lime zest, olive oil, and some seasoning. Then add some red onions and a whole can of rinsed white beans and mash everything until it feels good. Time to assemble with some seriously soft bread and some leafy greens. It's so easy and so good.
This is an eggplant sandwich. Never too much sauce. Wow. I have to use up this eggplant. And let it sit. Actually, I don't like eggplant that much. So I will coat it with breadcrumbs because that makes everything better. And bake or air fry. The spread. Let's use some hummus, sriracha, vegan yogurt, and seasoning.
Vegan katsu inspired sandwich, so dry and press a block of tofu. I use some heavy books for this. I'll leave it for 30 minutes. Marinate your tofu overnight with rice vinegar, soy sauce and paprika. Mix the next day, flour, garlic powder, salt and almond milk and cover your tofu in it. Dip your tofu in some breadcrumbs and fry it in your pan or your air fryer till it's golden. Now make your regular sandwich. You can add whatever spread you like and also some lettuce or tomatoes.
Let's be honest, we all spend our mornings looking forward to that packed lunch, and this Mediterranean sandwich always hits the spot. Slice your aubergine, spray with some oil and season with smoked paprika, garlic powder and some salt, and bake for about 10 to 15 minutes. Next, spread on some creamy hummus, some pesto, and layer with greens, the aubergine and some sun-dried tomato. Upgrade your lunches this week because